How y'all doing? Good morning. Today is Tuesday. Cause yesterday was President's Day. So as y'all can already see I have cut my hair because like it was a mixture of like perm and relaxer and not relaxer. So I just cut it all off and just going to, start over. So this is the hair. As of right now, it's like days old. It's like I got this done last week. So this is old. But I'm actually on my way to work and don't want to be late because I just don't want to be late on the first day back, because on the first day back, when we come in there late, they be tripping. So I'm just checking in the vlog. Today is Monday. I'm gonna try to vlog this whole week, because y'all know usually I only do like the weekend, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm gonna try to talk to y'all this whole week, right? So I'm getting ready to leave the house. Drive to work. It's really probably boring at work. We don't really be doing shit at work. But if something happens or if something needs to be recorded, then, I'll show y'all or whatever. But I am going to put on... this perfume that I had got right here. Y'all, if y'all would have watched the last vlog, y'all would have seen all the unboxings from my Valentine's Day gift. So if you didn't watch that video, tune in to that video. I guess this is like a little rose, and I guess these bangles come off, but I won't be wearing that. Okay, put that back on there or whatever, like that. But yes, got to get up out of here. And so yeah, I will check back in with y'all later. Once I get in the car. It is raining so hard outside. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. This shit feel like a workout. And you so loud. I know you're hurt. I was looking for relief. I need a ride or die. Y'all, it's raining hard as fuck outside. Like, what is the reason?
What was the reason? What was the reason?
Well, that is raining so hard. Because, baby, this gonna make me late to work. Because y'all know I only leave just enough time to get there to work in time. I leave just enough.
I got just enough. I'ma always have just enough.
Gotta kiss her on the toe. Gotta kiss her on the shoulder. Gotta kiss her on the navel. You gotta go a little bolder.
Y'all don't know nothing about the exotica, so you gotta be from Texas, Mississippi, little Louisiana to understand. Little Alabama, Mississippi, Houston. You to understand what's going on.
Some temporary passion, she said to you, we just had like we never really know. I see the sounds good to me. Let's turn it out, but we can't feel that crowd. Sometimes we like things like that, we know. Things got back to how they used to be. And all of a sudden,
Girl, you got me drinking again. Girl, you got me drinking again. Oh, it's called 25 and up. And it's an older lady. I don't know. I think she just turned 30. I think she just turned 45. She just turned 45 and she in the club. And it's a little young man in there. She said she looking for a little young man. And she said she just needs to know was you 25 and up, honey. Because if you 25 and up, she can do something with you. You hear me? And do you do grown folk stuff?
Is you 25 and up? Yeah, baby. And do you do grown folk stuff? I go fuck you.
Y'all, so I am now at work. I'm ready to go already. So I'm just vlogging today. Been to work like 40 minutes. We had a meeting and I'm about to put my food in the refrigerator because my mama, y'all, this gonna be my last day of eating fat, let me tell y'all. Cause tomorrow I'm gonna go on a diet for real. But tomorrow I'm gonna get back on keto, like for real. I'm gonna start it over. But my mom got me some yams and some mac and cheese in here. And then it's some oxtails and some cabbage. So when I left Houston last night, you know, my mama had put my food together. So I got some green beans. I got everything. I even got greens right here. So my mama. Let's roll back the last 2 days. I was in Houston for my sister's bridal shower, and my mom cooked this wonderful, wonderful plate that y'all about to see me eat.
Get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for it. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Cooking. We got the yams going. Look at the yams. Mac and cheese. And this is the best part. Y'all ready? Oh, this shit hot. Look at the meat. Look at them Barbies. We are the meat. I didn't think about it. I should have been doing the whole thing. This is what is it? It's cabbage.
Yeah.
That's cabbage.
Yeah, that's why you don't do it over yet. Do it over.
Oh, it's just the green.
Yeah, it's just the green part.
Oh, okay, that's why I was like, wait a minute. And then right. And the yams are done, and the meat is done, and I'm also gonna make me a coffee, my ghetto little coffee that I be making at work. I use these little packages right here, this fresh vanilla package. I use a half and half. I use some caramel, which I'm gonna have to find a sugar-free caramel option. And then I got some sugar. I also have some whipped cream, some water, and then I got my ice, y'all. So I make my ice.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride.
But then, yes, I'll be back because we're having another meeting. Yeah. I got my plate. I got my yams. It got greens and cabbage on here. And mac and cheese. And okra. And butter bean. Ham hock. Oxtail. And ribs. Ross, I missed it. I need you to do it again.
Wait, the other thing on the side.
Oh yeah. I tried one more time. Let's go, Ron. For the gram. Oh yeah.
We almost had it, bro.
Next week. Next week. Let's go.
You lived in high school, college, where don't keep moving. Just for fun.
What's that? 400, I'm staying. Come on, Ross. I can't get that. It keeps slipping.
Oh, you need some chalk?
Was the 420 the other ones? 420 the other ones?
Yeah.
450? What was the 450 out last one? It was like 450.
Who else on the 450? Pooler?
Was it? What was it?
This is Future Soldier Training.
That one might break. That might break.
Yeah.
Future Soldier. Job. Use this one next time, cause that motherfucker not screwed in. Yeah, you ain't see him over there. I was like, what that is, Pooler? 420? Oh, this the one Ross couldn't do?
No, he said they all could. This is 420.
You see how she threw that silver in there?
It helps you get ready mentally. Whoa! You're out bringing the cold, right? You're out ready.
Torres. Huh?
Who knows how to what now?
Who knows how to bowl?
Bowl.
Oh wait, they getting the vehicles right now. They not ready for y'all.
I can bowl.
A little bit.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna try one. I can't do it. I can't do it. Friday, as soon as I literally went up to the club and tried to do one. I can't do anything.
Yeah. I don't even know if I can do it.
The fuck was that? The what?
What is the leg?
Get back up there.
No, you can't jump. You
Yeah, get up there.
Put your knees to your elbow.
Now pull your knees to your elbow in a crunch. Oh yeah, yeah. So I got my laptop because I really wanna edit my Tulum video. Y'all, I went to Tulum a while back, and the footage has been sitting in here for a very, very long time. So I wanna edit my Tulum footage. So I brought my laptop today.
3. Damn. 4. Damn. 5. Damn. 6. Damn. 7. Damn. 8. Damn. 9. Damn.
What's up? What's up? Today is another day. Period. So today is actually what's today? Saturday. Today's Saturday, and me and Ghost. He's right there. Say hey, Ghosty. Say hey, Ghosty. we're actually getting ready to go to Home Goods right now because I plan on fixing up my bathroom and the refrigerator. So I kind of did the refrigerator before, but it was like really dead. But I plan on redoing my bathroom, like fixing up my bathroom. So I just want to go to Home Goods because I want to get some towels. I want to get some different odds and ends. It's also a Burlington's right there. It's a Ross right there, and it's a TJ Maxx right there, and it's a Marshall's like around the corner. So I should be pretty much good to go. So I'm just getting in the car right now. It is freezing outside, so we're finna turn this heat on high. And then I'm going to get back with y'all probably when I get into the store or something, because when I turn this heater on blast, it's gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud, it's gonna be loud, it's gonna be loud. And y'all wanna hear all that. So we'll holler at y'all when we get in the store.